help?
The thing's got floaties on it.
See, if this was daddy's pool, it'd be like.
Alright, crank it up and ride it back.
I bet your daddy's pool could have made it.
I'll go hold this wagon.
That little bitty thing has some jacked up tires. Watch. You dumbass.
Hey, wait till Dylan gets out the water. I want him to get killed and have to call Dad. Daddy, Dylan got killed.
Pussy. What you looking for?
Put it in neutral.
Hold on.
And just tiny something. Don't listen to me.
Here you go. Hold on a second. Take the seat off. Look at the air filter. Make sure there ain't no water in it.
I think you. What? You lost it?
You lost it? Dylan, show your mouse for the video.
Yeah.
Did you find Titanic yet?
Titanic may not want to be found. Is it good?
Yeah, it ain't no water in it.
Okay. Because if it got water in it, that's pretty bad.
It'll start.
Yeah, well, you just gotta let it dry. Sit there a little while.
Oh, I got a feel.
Damn fish. You saw it?
Where?
Right over there. Oh.